Statistics on usage and membership. According to Statista, it's estimated that in 2022 there are around 3.96 billion people who are using social media around the globe, up from 3.6 billion in 2020. This number is expected to increase to 4.41 billion in 2025. Most popular social networking services. The following is the list of the most popular social networking services based on the number of active users as of January 2020 per Statista. Social networking services with the most users January 2022. Number 1, Facebook with 2,910 million, originated from United States. YouTube 2,562 million, originated from United States. WhatsApp around 2,000 millions, originated from USA. Instagram 1,478 millions, originated from United States. WeChat 1,263 millions, originated from China. TikTok 1,000 millions, originated from China. Facebook Messenger 988 millions, originated from United States. And Douyin 600 millions, originated from China. Usage before the COVID-19 pandemic. A study from 2009 suggests that there may be individual differences that help explain who uses social media and who does not. Extraversion and openness have a positive relationship with social media, while emotional stability has a negative slope relationship with social media. A separate study from 2015 found that people with a high social comparison orientation appear to use social media more highly than people with low social comparison orientation. Data from Common Sense Media has suggested that the children under the age of 13 in the United States use social networking services, despite the fact that many social media sites have policies that state one must be at least 13 years old or older to join. In 2017, Common Sense Media conducted a nationally representative survey of parents of children from birth to 8 and found that 4% of the children at this age use social media sites such as Instagram, Snapchat, or now disjunct musical rewind, often sometimes. A different nationally representative survey by Common Sense in 2019 surveyed young Americans aged 8 to 16 and found that about 31% of the children aged 8 to 12 ever use social media such as Snapchat, Instagram, or Facebook. In that same survey, when American teens ages 16 to 18 were asked whether they start using social media, 28% said they started to use it before they were 13 years old. However, the median age of starting to use social media was 14 years old. Usage during the COVID-19 pandemic. Amount of usage by minors. Social media play a role in communication during COVID-19 pandemic. In June 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, a national representative survey by Cartoon Network and the Cyberbullying Research Center surveyed Americans teens aged 9 to 12 found that the most popular overall application in the past years was YouTube. 67%. In general, as age increased, the tweens were more likely to have used major social media apps and games. Similarly, a nationally representative survey by Common Sense Media conducted in 2020 of Americans aged 13 to 18 found that YouTube was also the most popular social media service used by 86% of 13 to 18 years old Americans in past years. As children grow older, they utilize certain social media services on a frequent basis and often use the application YouTube to consume content. The use of social media certainly increases as people grow older, and it has become a customary thing to have an Instagram or a Twitter account. Reasons for use by adults. While adults were already using social media before the COVID-19 pandemic, more started using it to stay socially connected and to get updates on the pandemic. Social media have been popularly used to seek for medical information and have fascinated the general public to collect information regarding coronavirus pandemics in various perspectives. During these days, people are forced to stay at home, and social media were connected and supported awareness and pandemic updates. This also made healthcare workers and systems more aware of social media as a place people were getting health information about the pandemic. During the COVID-19 pandemic, social media use have accelerated to the point of becoming ubiquitous part of the modern health care systems. Though this will also lead to the spread of disinformation. Indeed, on December 11, 2020, the CDC put out a call to action managing the infodemic. Some healthcare organizations even used hashtag as intervention and published article on their Twitter. Promotion of the joint use of PDC and COVID throughout the international pediatric critical care community in tweets relevant to the COVID disease 2019 pandemic and pediatric critical care. However, others in the medical community were concerned about social media addiction due to its as an increasingly important text and therefore source of social validation and reinforcement, and are unsure if increased social media use is a coping mechanism or harmful. Thank you very much, and see you in another upcoming video.